Hello students, in last lecture we studied about that the structure of anther and TS of anther. So today our next topic is structure of pollen grain. Okay, so you know very well that the pollen grain are also called as, it is also called as microspore. Next point, it is non-motile haploid unicellular uninucleate structure. Unicellular uninucleate structure. It is surrounded by double layered wall called sporoderm. And the sporoderm contain two layers, that is outer layer called exine and inner layer called intine. So first of all we will discuss about exine. First, exine. Okay, so exine, it is the outermost layer of sporoderm. Second, it is a thick layer. It is made up by complex non-biodegradable substance called sporopollenin. It is a smooth and spiny layer. Okay. Next point, in exine the small openings are present called germ pore. When pollen grain with only one germ pore are called uniporate pollen grain, and it is present in monocot plants. When the pollen grain when the pollen grain with three germ pores are called triporate pollen grain, and it is present in dicot plants. And what is the function of sporopollenin? The function of sporopollenin are sporopollenin it resists pollen grain, it resists to pollen grain from decomposition. Okay, so this is information about that, the outer wall of pollen grain, that is called as exine. So next layer is intine. Second layer is intine. Okay, intine. It is innermost layer of sporoderm. It is made up by cellulose and pectin, and it is thin layer enclose the cytoplasm and haploid nucleus. Okay, so this is information about that intine. Okay, so this actual structure of pollen grain are, in pollen grain the outer layer are called as exine. In pollen grain the outer layer are called as exine. Okay, so the inner layer are called as intine. Okay, so the outer layer are smooth and spiny layer. It is a smooth and spiny layer. In exine, the small openings are present are called as germ pores. In exine, the small openings are present are called as germ pore. So in the pollen grain of monocot plants, only one germ pore are present, hence it is also called as uniporous pollen grain. And the pollen grain of dicot plant, the three germ pores are present, that is called as triporate pollen grain. Okay, so this is exine. This is called as intine. So this opening are called as germ pore, and inside the intine the cytoplasm are present. Inside the intine the cytoplasm are present. And here the haploid nucleus are present. haploid nucleus are present. So this is the structure of microspore or pollen grain. Microspore or pollen grain. Okay, so I again repeat the whole topic. First, pollen grain are also called as microspore. It is a non-motile haploid unicellular uninucleate structure. It is surrounded by double layer wall are called as sporoderm. Sporoderm is made up by two layers, that is outer layer called as exine and inner layer are called as intine. So first of all, exine, it is a outermost layer of sporoderm. Second, it is a thick layer. So it is made up by complex and non-biodegradable substance that is called as sporopollenin, and sporopollenin are helpful for it resists the pollen grain from decomposition. Okay, next it is the smooth and spiny layer. So in exine, the small openings are present called as germ pore. When pollen grain with only one germ pore are called as uniporate pollen grain, and it is present in monocot plant. When the pollen grain with three germ pores are called as triporate pollen grain, it is present in dicot plant. Okay, so next point is intine. So it is innermost layer of sporoderm. It is made up by cellulose and pectin, and is a thin layer enclose the cytoplasm and haploid nucleus. Okay, so this is the total information about that, the structure of pollen grain. Friends, if you like my lecture, please subscribe to it and share it. Thank you.